w34 day 2, 1.4, 1 through 20, or 8 through 23. So let's go ahead and start grading that. So our number 8 is 24. Number 9 is negative 21. Number 10 is negative 16. Number 11 is 12. Number 12 is negative 42. Number 13 is 27. Are you okay? Yeah, I heard. Are you okay? Just take them off and get dressed again. Negative 40. He just fell in the bathtub. 12. Number 16 is negative 50. Number 17 is 0. Number 18 is negative 81. You can't have negative 0, just FYI. 19 is negative 30. 20 is negative 110. 21 is 78. 22 is negative 98. 23 is 121. So that's out of 16. Okay, write it out at the top. Take a picture of it, hand it in on yesterday's. And then we're going to talk about dividing integers. So that was multiplying. Now dividing is the same thing as far as if the signs match, if it doesn't. So I'm going to 1.5. And this is page 30. Okay, so it says, so again, so if you have a positive divided by a positive, that equals a positive. If you have a negative divided by a negative, the signs match, that equals a positive. If you have a negative divided by a positive, that equals a negative. If you have a positive divided by a negative, that equals a negative. If you want to write that at the top of your page, you can. Okay, so the first one they have is negative 18 divided by negative 6. Okay, the answers are the numbers are both negative, so my answer is going to be positive. Now this, remember the cowboy goes in front of the horse, so this is 18 divided by 6, which is 3. So your answer is positive 3 because they're both negative. Okay, let's do another one. Negative 48 divided by negative 6. So again, the answers are both positive. How many times does 6 go into 48? 8 times. So again, this one goes 48 divided by 6, which is 8. Okay? Okay. Then they'll do something a little bit harder where they'll do 75 divided by negative 25. Now, how many negatives are there? Just one, so the answer is going to be negative. How many times does 25 go into 75? 3 times. But again, this one goes in the house, this one goes out the house, and that goes 3 times. Okay? So that's another way to write it. Here's this one. It's not really a fraction. So it says negative 54 divided by 6, right? Okay, so how many negatives are there? 1 negative, so 1, right? And then what times 6 is 54 is 9. So the answer is negative 9. Let's do another one like that. This one's really easy. 21 divided by negative 3. How many negatives are there? 1, so 1 negative equals a negative. 3 goes into 21 7 times, so that's 7. Negative 7. Okay. What if it looks like this? 0 divided by negative 6. Okay, 0 can't be divided by anything, and nothing, even though there's one negative, you can't have a negative 0. So if there's a 0 in any of them, the answer is just 0. Okay? Okay, so you guys, these are short lessons. So 1.5, 8 through 25 today. And that's your assignment. See you tomorrow.